Hello CS50. The final project is about how was automated a manual data entry work using Flask, Python, and MySQL on a web environment solution. Before using any programming language, the manual process of matching data between CSV files and a database was about 1 minute per invoice. Because now we are using Flask, Python, and MySQL, the data entry work is automated by 90%. Let's see this in action. First, let's load a CSV file to the system, where through JavaScript, the system validates if the CSV file is correct. Now let's see Python, Flask, and MySQL in action. We are going to generate a report for a whole week with more than 1,700 invoices. As you can see, the system is generating the report in auto mode for repetitive tasks. But when the system doesn't understand something like now, we have to introduce it manually. So we did more than 100 invoices in a couple of seconds. Conclusions. After it has been introduced automation, the data entry process was improved by 90%. For example, for every 1,000 invoices, the working time was reduced from more than 16 hours to around 2 hours. And this was CS50.